Universal Compatibility Self Sticky Gel Mounting Disc 70mm fits any suction cup style accessories. Assortment, suitable for various dashboard surfaces and windshields, to solve the problem of suckers falling off. Applicable dash suction cup bone mount, windshield cell phone holder, GPS navigation bracket, car tablet stand, outdoor camera mount, decoration, wireless charger base, electronics, monitor, toy, radar detector mount, backup camera, action camera, alarm sensors, monitor, mirror, idle. Genuine 3M Sticky Self-Adhesive Dots These phone dashboard car mount back stickers have high temperature 120°C plus resistance performance. You can use it without worry in hot summer, even in Texas. Extra strong both side round 3M VHB dashboard cell phone grip replacement adhesion pad stickiness is 40% stronger than ordinary two-side sticky glue. Easy to fix your Navigator bracket, car phone base, heavy-duty dashboard mount base. You can stable and secure driving truck, vehicle and bumpy roads. Easy to install the dual-sided circles on dash mounting pad disc comes with alcohol wipes to clean the surfaces before applying. After the surface is dried, peel off the 3 m adhesive film to stick the surface of dashboard or windshield, auto windscreen, glass, front window. Please wait 24 hours to install the bracket. You can also use the 2.76 inches sticky adhesive backed foam tab sheets replacement parts on the bottom of the suction cup directly. Easy to remove. These circle high heat double-sided suction cup sticker backing mounting disc is easy to remove. You can remove it without leaving adhesive residue, will not damage the dashboard surface, no tool required. Best car cell phones mount adhesive attachment replacement. Make sure the surface of the chosen area and the suction cup of the GPS/telephone/magnetic/rear view camera holder is cleaned completely before applying a new adhesive. Package includes 2 by 2.76 inch, 70mm diameter, double face heat resistance round dashboard pad mounting disc, 4x alcohol pads, 1x user manual. We provide a 1-year warranty, and if you need any help with our product, please do not hesitate to contact us and we will provide you our best after-sales service. All we want is your satisfaction. Important tips: these adhesive pads only compatible with holder cup around 70mm and must wait at least 24 hours before use to increase adhesion. Top reviews from the United States. On hot windshields this works. Easy to adhere to the dash cam suction which stopped working from the hot Arizona sun.